So maraming Pilipino at Asian skin types ang may melasma. And the truth, hindi lahat ng laser ay safe para sa atin. Bakit? Kasi, Asian skin has more active melanocytes. Ibig sabihin nito, mas mabilis mag-produce ng pigment kapag na-trigger or na-irritate. At ang laser, kahit gentle yan, it is still a controlled injury to the skin. So kapag tama ang settings, yes, pwedeng makatulong. Pero kapag mali naman ang mga wavelength, masyadong mataas ang energy o masyadong madalas ang session, ang nangyayari sa skin, it can respond more by producing more pigment. Nagiging rebound melasma o mas dumidilim after treatments. So many patients think laser will erase melasma in 1 to 2 sessions. Pero in reality, melasma is chronic and hormonal. Hindi ito tulad ng tattoo or freckles or skin tags na pwedeng i-zap mo lang and then goodbye ka na. Kahit gumanda sa una, pwedeng bumalik or mas lumala if the laser is too aggressive. So, mas safe and low and slow ang approach. Tinted sunscreen, topical lightening agents, mga microneedling, plus gentle brightening tranexamic acid, chemical peels, designed for skin color, and heat-controlled treatments. This focus on calming pigment, not stressing the skin. So, hindi ibig sabihin na bawal ang laser sa Asian skin, pero kailangan tama lang yung machine, tama yung wavelength, tamang settings at a provider na may experience with skin of color. So, the goal is not instant whitening. The goal is safe, steady, long-term control ng melasma without damaging the skin barrier.